Preparing to import your contacts into Constant Contact, but need a little help getting your spreadsheet ready? In this short video, we'll show you how to separate your contact's first and last name in Excel. To get started, open your spreadsheet and add an empty column next to your column of names. From there, click Data, highlight the Name column by clicking the top, and then click Text to Columns. Select Delimited, and then click Next. In the Delimiters section, uncheck Tab and then select Space. Then click Next. In the Data Preview section, you'll be able to see an example of what the split will look like. Click Finish when you're done reviewing. Lastly, update your column headers so that each column is clearly named first name or last name. And that's how easy it is to separate your contact's first and last name in Excel in order to prepare your contact list for import into Constant Contact.